In this tutorial, I'll show you the right way to disable and enable an Ethernet connection in Windows system. This method works for all the versions of Windows from Windows 7 to Windows 11. To disable an Ethernet connection, you need to go to the Control panel. Now go to Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Now right-click on Ethernet adapter and disable it. Now you're completely disconnected from the Internet. If you see a lot of network adapters in your system and you don't know which one to disable, don't worry. Just close this window. Now here, find out which network adapter has Internet access. In this case, this network adapter is being used for Internet. Now again go to the Change Adapter Settings. This is the Ethernet adapter which we identified earlier. Now right-click on it and disable it. Now you are no longer connected to the Internet. Follow the same process to restore your Internet connection. See, now the connection is restored. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials.